ये तो बाइफोकल, हाँ ये तो बाइफोकल हो गया, ये यूनिफोकल हो गया, 1 पॉइंट, ये बाइफोकल हो गया, ठीक है, ये फोकल এটা 1 जगह। तो ठीक है सर, और अभी तक हमारा ये बात तो यहाँ तक पहुंचा। तो नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट, अच्छा हाँ, अभी तक ने जो हमने बताया कि these are the माने प्रॉब्लम्स, these are the माने principles we have to adhere. What is corticotomy, what is osteotomy, what is dissection osteogenesis, and this is a clinical problem, how you can think of doing so. Now ये जो समस्या है, इसको आगे बढ़ने के लिए हम कैसे बढ़ेंगे, इसका ऊपर अभी हम चर्चा करेंगे। तो यहाँ तक डिटिमनी और डिटिमनी এতিয়ালৈকে কিবা সুধিব আছে নে কোৱা?
নাই স্যার, বুঝি পাইছো স্যার।
ভেরি গুড। আৰু তিনচুকীয়া ৰাজীৱ ক'ত গ'ল? ৰাজীৱ আজি চুপে আছে যে, মাত দিয়া নাই কেলে? তিনচুকীয়া ৰাজীৱ, তিনচুকীয়া ৰাজীৱ এতিয়ালৈকে একো মাত দিয়া নাই যে কেলে? একো সুধিব নাই নেকি?
सर बुझी पाइছো सर।
विकास भाई, आपका मन में कोई शंका है? नहीं है, चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं हम। तो हम एक एक करके हम सामान के ऊपर चर्चा करेंगे। शुरुआत करते हैं रॉच रिंग से। तो पहले ये दिखाए, हाफ रिंग दे दीजिए। हाफ रिंग, ठीक है। ये इसका भी नोटबुक लीजिए, तो ये दोनों खोल के लीजिए। So let us talk one by one. So you must know the component. I said about the basic principle only. Let us talk one by one the components. Today we are going to talk the basic things. So this is a half ring. So basically the whole concept of your principle of Ilijarov is revolving around ring fixator. It is basically a external fixator. We have discussed about the uniplanar uniaxial fixator, uniplanar biaxial fixator. We also talked about the triangular fixator or diamond shaped fixator, and finally it is your circular fixator. So starting from the 1 point, that is unilateral uniplanar, now up to ring, this is the wide range of the external fixator available with you. And there is also modification to you, combination of the principle like hybrid fixator, hybrid, where the two principles of ring fixator and your external fixator is being applied, where the questionable, this in ये जोड़ता नहीं है, actually by principle ये जोड़ता नहीं है. दूसरी बात, advancement of the Ilijar fixator is called spatial fixator, where you are taking the help of your computer base. Now the computer base. So extremes of starting from the Hoffman's your external fixator to spatial, so many range of the external fixator are arising. There are certain disadvantages also. It is said this not a very easy procedure to do. You need to have a very good idea. So since we are talking about this thing, I also would like to mention few things here before going to the operation. That we the conventional orthopedic surgeons are accustomed with the longitudinal anatomy. बावनी, ये हमने क्या बोल दिया? ये शब्द से आपको क्या क्या महसूस हुआ? कौस्तुभ, ये शब्द तो मैं क्या बुझाइছো? We are more accustomed with the longitudinal anatomy of the area. Whereas in case of your Ilijarov, you must have a good concept or cross-sectional anatomy. क्या समझ में आया? See, we are all accustomed with the longitudinal anatomy, means we are longitudinally plate nail लगाते हैं जो long axis of the bone के आधार पर काम करते हैं. हालांकि ये हम टेनवर्सली काम करते हैं. तो टेनवर्सली जब काम करते हैं तो आपका दिमाग में यह बात तो सोचना होगा, रखना होगा कि हम जहां पे है उसका एनाटॉमिकल सेक्शनल व्यू क्या है. So for Ilizarov, it is mandatory to have vivid knowledge of anatomy, and that is more cross-sectional rather than longitudinal. Titimani, oh Titimani,
হয় স্যার
কথাটো কি বুজিলা? যে
স্যার বুজি পাইছো
ইলিজাৰভটো কৰাৰ আগতে you must have good knowledge of cross-sectional anatomy, because if you are not in the safe corridor, probably disaster will be more by inviting trouble of injuring the vital structure like vessels and nerve. Since you are walking perpendicular to the long axis, that is why you must have a good knowledge of the cross-sectional anatomy of this area. And cross-sectional anatomy is not same with the that of the proximal part to that of distal part. So everywhere a proximal, the middle or third, lower third, whatever, you must have a good knowledge on it. So since Ilizarov surgeons, if you want to adhere to it, you must have a good mindset, mind pictures of the cross-sectional anatomy of the area. That if I am going to pass a pin somewhere longitudinal, not the perpendicular to the long axis of the bone, you must have a good knowledge of the cross-sectional view. That is a mandatory point. The पीछे ये मैकेनिकल पार्ट तो है ही है, ये मैकेनिकल पार्ट का साथ साथ आपका दिमाग में उस जगह के क्रॉस सेक्शनल व्यू को पूरा सामने आना होगा. That I am going to pass a pin like this. Now what are the structure in front of me? Your mindset should be like this. Rajiv, तो हम यहाँ सोचे कि और साख वाला नहीं कि किंसु क्या? और किंसु क्या?
স্যার
तो हम यहाँ सोचे कि और तुम्हारे ऐसे नहीं कि हमारे यहाँ तो आग्रह हो हम यहाँ से उसका भी नींद आ रहा है, तुम्हारा भी आ रहा है क्या? हमारा यहाँ पे आग्रह का भी नींद आ रहा है और वहाँ पे राजीव भाई क्या आ रहा है? क्यों?
नहीं सर
नहीं आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलो ठीक है, हम कदम बढ़ाते हैं. एक तो बात आपका सामने बिल्कुल आ गया है कि आज के बाद अगर इलिजार्व करना है तो हम सिर्फ लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल एनाटॉमी के ऊपर दिमाग नहीं रखेंगे. हम अगर कदम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, हम क्रॉस सेक्शनल व्यू को अपना सामने रखेंगे. Supposing if you want to pass a pin at the upper 1/3 of the tibia, you must know what is the relationship to cross-sectional view. What are the important structures there, where it is, and if my pin is lying like this, then where is the safe corridor? Am I violating the normal structure, violating a nerve artery? You have to clear in your mind. So in your mind, it has to be clear that while doing this surgery, you must have a good knowledge of the cross-sectional view of the area. That is a must. That is a must. There is no question about it, because you do not want to do any injury to the important structures. ठीक है सर? ये हमने इसीलिए बताया कि you go before going for the actual mechanization, practical operation, what basic requirement you must have? The basic knowledge. What is the principle behind it? Yes, sir. And what actually requirement with you? Mane, you must have this knowledge and other things. Then and then you have a good result of it. Otherwise, it will be a disaster. It is a conversion technique. Patients also not willing to continue for a long time. Maybe so many things are there. But advantages are also there if you are using it more judiciously. Otherwise, you may sometimes end up with a disaster like injuring the vital structure of the nerve or artery. तो इसके लिए आपका बात ये है कि vivid knowledge of your cross-sectional view is a must. Is a must. ठीक है सर? ये आपका BSc requirement है. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. कम से कम एक का बात तो हो जाए, तो एक दो बात तो हो जाए, पूरा ना हो सही. तो एक तो ये बोल दिया है हमने हाफ रिंग. इस हाफ रिंग का मतलब ये है कि while you are coupling with the other part, it will make a circular. हालांकि in certain situations you may have a integrated already fixed ring may be here sometime. You may have. There is an advantage in there that you do not have to need the junction there. You do not avoid this junction there, and essentially it is more stronger because there is no joint. and also it will become lighter. However, nowadays, these rings are mostly done by the carbon rings. Carbon ring has got two advantages. One, this is more lighter, it is more stronger. Moreover, it is radiolucent. Why I am pointing point? See, if you have a solar ring का बारे में बोल रहे हैं, जितिमणि,
হয় স্যার
শুনিছানে কথাটো মই কি কৈছো?
শুনিছো স্যার
শুনাৰ কথাটো এনেকুৱা যে these rings are mostly made of stainless steel. It essentially is heavy. Moreover, while there is more joint, more heavy. Single better, but not always useful. It is more useful rather than having a single unit. Disadvantage, weight. Disadvantage, radiolucent nahi hai, radio opaque hai. Why it is more important? Supposing somehow this your ring is falling on the flexor side somehow, that may obscure your axial bone union process or the callus formation, everything there. So sometimes it becomes a bit difficult for you to have a good radiological image with this chair. That is why to overcome this problem, people are coming with half ring, carbon fiber ring, which is stronger, lighter, radiolucent, but costly.
So
Cost
one more
of
thing is the carbon fiber rings are reusable, sir.
this is also reusable. Stainless steel you can use 100 times. This stainless steel you can use many times. You can detach it, stainless you can use it. This no harm. This is also usable, that is also reusable, but only thing is that is a bit costly, lighter, radiolucent. Here it is radio opaque. So something may obscure this actual radiological image of the area which you want to see. Okay, sir? Now that is one of the half ring part. In the half ring, we will again tell you certain things. One, that the size of the rings are different. So necessarily, according to need, you have to select the size. So it is coming with the inner diameter. This is called inner diameter. See, ये दोनों लगाने से एक तो हाँ, दोनों लगाने से हमारा एक तो inner diameter मिलता है. इसका आधार पर हम रिंग का साइज को निर्भर करते हैं. ऐसे पकड़ लीजिए, usually you have 80 mm, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 like this. So why this selection is important? The selection is important that everywhere, every rings are not going to accommodate. For example, this ring is not suitable for a huge thigh surgery. A surgery आया है, इसको तो accommodate कर ही नहीं पाएगा. Yes or no? On the other hand, it is also very big for a child of tibia fracture. A child is coming to you with tibia fracture, with a shortening, want to go a little up, it is too big. Why? So if it is very small and the pins are ring, the distance is more, that will also compromise the stability of the area. So that is why the rings are coming with different sizes, different internal, that is called internal diameter. That is important for selections of this ring, and the rings are available. जैसे अभी बताओ तो ये जो हमारा पास अग्रहरी है, इसका 60 का साइज है 38, लेकिन इसका 60 अगर हम इमरान को पहना दे तो इसका 60 आएगा ही नहीं, उसको चाहिए 44. तो ऐसा चीज है, उसका साइज इसमें जाएगा, इसका साइज उसमें जाएगा क्या? करा भी नहीं जाएगा. ऐसे ही मान लीजिए, ऐसा स्थिति ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे भी रीतिमणि কথাটো বুঝি পাইছে নে পাপাই?
পাইছো স্যার
So that is why you have to be very selective in selection. But what is the criteria? Criteria तो ये है कि 2 finger breadth होना चाहिए और uniform होना चाहिए चारों तरफ से. So while you are putting this ring here, you supposed to be uniform. It's supposed to middle. It is better to keep it middle and have a uniform distance throughout the anterior posterior medial end. And particularly, you can able to have an insinuation of 2 finger there. More the gap is not good because it compromises stability also. So that is what. So I have said about the size. I also said about the various types of rings available. I also said how to select the rings. Then coupling of this ring. Coupling also you have a joints here that should be joined together with this nut and nut systems. Uniformity, uniform circumference is very important to maintain in the central part. So central is supposed to be there, then it will be uniform distance. And while talking about this also, I would like to tell you that this, while I apply this ring, you have a limitations of doing reconstructive surgery. So in a situation where you are going to go for a reconstruction of soft tissue, particularly in compound fracture, loss of soft tissue, only it is not a good choice to do so. Because if you once the ring has been fixed, probably this reconstructive procedure will be more difficult for you. So that is another point you have to consider the selections of this ring fixation. Okay? So now next point is that is there any variations of the awarding? Yes, there are. We do not have it here with us, but one thing is that sometime you may see that the ring is going like this upward. Here also this is like this. These types of your modification of the herb rings particularly useful in the upper part of the shoulder and the upper part of the trochanteric area or hip. Okay? And that's some नहीं है ना और दूसरा फुटा फुटा करके तो आता है क्या आपका होल फुटा ऐसा कर स्लिप नहीं है ना. Another part is a sometimes Italian arch in the half ring. Some modification of the half ring, I am telling you. Modification that you have a like this is mostly useful for your upper shoulder and also upper thigh. One is. Then again another is called Italian arch. Some sort of slots will be there, useful, particularly for the upper part of the thigh. Upper part of thigh, particularly in the trochanteric region. That is another modification. Third modification in a half ring is your 5/8 ring. That the ring is 5/8, almost 8, make it 8 halves. Out of that, 3 part remove, then what remains? So it will be like this, up to the extent. This is called 5/8 ring. So 5/8 ring will be extending up to here, up to the extending here, but this part is open. These types of rings are, half rings are mostly used in the knee joint particularly. So if you are addressing these fixations in the upper part of the petuflexor tibia or the distal part of the femur, sometimes to have good range of movement to not to avoid or prevent the flexion of the knee joint, that part is remain kept open so as to have a good flexion moment. So in the half ring also see so many more things are there. I am talking today's half ring, that the half ring we have to match to the other side to make a full ring. The half ring has modifications of this curvature upward. Half ring again type of called Italian arch. Half ring again modification of 5/8. So many things are there in the half ring. So these are two selectives of the depending upon the need. So depending upon the need of the whether to go for Italian arch or a 5/8 ring or a arch like this. So many things are there. These are all important for depending upon the need. Yes, half ring. Then these are the holes. Yes or no? These are the holes. The size of the holes are also important. Then next point is the clamp. There are two types of your bone clamps here. See, one is your two types. इसमें साइड होल है क्या? दोनों में साइड होल है? साइड होल है क्या? नहीं है ना? साइड का कोई यहाँ पे कोई में साइड नहीं है ना? एक में साइड होगा क्या? देखो तो. This is the side. Side में नहीं इसमें रहता है. Slot तो बाहर रहता है. So this is a K clamp or you say K-wire clamp. One by one component. One half ring is gone. थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बोल देते हैं. One is called K K clamp. This is K clamp means basically K wire clamp. K wire clamp means your half ring is being formed. After all, you are transfixing through this your bone, through the bone to be like this. To be like this, the bone is here. We'll do it. Bone is here. So here you will find that is the anchorage of the of this K wire is being done with the ring with the help of your clamp. This clamp is not K wire clamp. The K wire clamps are two types. One, there is a hole here in the central part. Another, the hole may be a slot may be there in the side. One is in the central part, most of the time it is central, but another may be there in the slot. Now, since it is coming, where to use what? Where to use what? Now, a situation is see, in basic principle of this half ring fixation, points is coming, that is why I am telling. The situations may be there that the pin is passing for the bone. This is the bone here. Here, I have passed the pin through the bone from one side, and another side it is transfixing like this. There will be situations like this, where one side it is coming just in the center part. Another in the center part or on the edge. समझ में आया कि नहीं? It may be in this part, egg, or it may be coming to the center. So if it is passing in the other end through this side, one should not try to pull the K wire down to middle. Rather, one should fix it at this periphery, like this, with the help of your side clamp. Are you getting my point? Jitimoni mo kothado tumi buji palane nai poa.
Sir, aru ebar koi.
Aru koijo, ha? Ha. Ki dekham? नहीं दिखाई दिसो नहीं लगा रहे हाँ अभी हम दो बार आपका के क्लेम का बारे में अभी तो हाफ रिंग का बारे में तो बात हो गया है अभी हम के क्लेम का बारे में बात बोलते हैं आपको थोड़ा सा के क्लेम आई सेड टू टाइप्स ये पिछले कागज এখন দিলে না লাগে না হ'ব এই কন্ট্রাস্ট তো ন জি জি কোন এনেকে ঘৰলা এনেকে হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে হ'ব There are situations like this. See, what I am talking about here, why are selecting two types of clamp? One clamp that this pin may transect the bone and go to pass the bone like this in a hole like this, in the edge of the hole. Okay? You can do two things here. One, you can bring, but we can go like this, edge, like this. Yes or no? Every time it may not be like this, yes or no? Titimoni hoine na kothato. Efala pa moi mari dilu aru ifale ekdom soft time ote ami ekdom centrally par kori dibo noro pao. Ketiaba I okon enuka hobo pare nore?
Pare sir.
Ketiaba ekdom ajeri jab pare. Ketiaba toledi jab pare. Hoy nohoy?
Hoy sir.
Post of GMC kothato buji paisan nai?
Paisu sir.
Very good. Etia mane ki hoy, if it is like this, I can do one thing that I can bring the thing to the center and fix a clamp. By doing so, actually I am levering the bone. And while I am going to give tension there, that angulation what will meet, actually it will push the bone upward. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. In these situations, what is best? You supposed to fix the pin like this with a K clamp where you have a slot in the side. Slot in the side. This is not central. This is central one. We do not have a slot here, a side slot. So there are two types of slot at K clamp. One is central. Another is in this periphery. You may find that periphery you have to select. that where to fix, periphery where to fix the cellar. ये बात सबको समझ में आया है कि नहीं है? ये बात
Yes, sir.
सब समझ में आया है कि नहीं है? राजीव भाई,
Yes, sir.
राजदीप, राजदीप भाई, समझ में आया है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that is about the K claim, that what claim should be selected. That is K claim. बाकी तो ये तो जॉइंट क्लेम है. तो थोड़ा सा बोल लेते हैं रॉड का बारे में. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज योर रॉड. So these are called threaded rod. This one already there. This is what? This is called threaded rod. These threaded rod are also very important because these threads are very important for us. This threaded rod. These threaded rods 6 mm diameter. The pitch, one whole turn will give 1